Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to sir question 128A. Sir, three numbers. B. Sir, the number of infiltration posts in the state district-wise are 30. East City Hills 3, West City Hills 2, Ribhoy 4, East Khasi Hills 3, West Khasi Hills 2, South West Khasi Hills 1, East Karo Hills 2, West Karo Hills 1, North Karo Hills 3, South West Karo Hills 1, South Karo Hills 8. C. Sir, the number of interstate migrants without proper documents detected in the year 2008, 18-19, 2019-20, 2020-21 are as follows. 2018, 5,460. 2019, 7,626. 2020, 2,122. 2021 up to 1st September 2021, 1,192. Total 16,400. D. The number of Bangladeshi illegal infiltration migrant detected during 2018-19, 2019-20, 2020-21 are as follows. 2018, 36, 2019, 18, 2020, 37, 2021 up to 31st August 2021, 25. Total is 116. E. Sir, for seed interstate migrants without proper documents have been pushed back to Assam, and for D, 44 numbers are currently in jail and 72 numbers have been deported, sir.
May I know from the Honorable Minister from Police the name of the locations of the infill posts in Southwest Karo Hills and West Karo Hills?
Sir, in West Karo Hills, we have an anti-infiltration special squad, and in Southwest Karo Hills, we also have anti-infiltration special squad.
Mr. Speaker, sir, my question is, I want to know the name of the locations, where it is.
Yeah. The location is in the district headquarters.
Mr. Speaker, sir, why I raise this question is, we have very vulnerable entry points through which illegal immigrants, infiltrators can come into the state. We have created a separate directorate for the infiltration with the Home Department. I would like to know from the Minister whether government has initiated action to identify the vulnerable areas with which, through which these infiltrations are happening.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we will do on the need-based basis.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I will just name a few areas where these infiltrations or immigrants from interstate or international migrants, illegal migrants can come in. Like in West Karo Hills, we have many points. Wrong side we have Fulbari we have, where we should create the post. Abandoned entry point of Assam Meghalaya into Karo Hills and S61. We don't have infiltration posts. So I would urge upon the government of the day to identify such vulnerable points and create infiltration posts so that we can check these illegal immigrants in future.
Point noted, sir.
Bahima, please. Sir,